Dear friends, welcome to our warehouse. So today I will show you our warehouse. Okay, let's go. Come on. The director tells us that we are very lucky. Now it comes an empty container from the port. When the empty containers arrived at our warehouse, we will unload the container first. Okay, dear friends, you can see we have our carrying machineries. It is for unloading containers. Now they are ready to unload the container. And after unloading the container, the truck will go and take another new containers. So every day we can take many containers from the port. Our capacity to load the container is 30 to 35 containers each day. The empty container, our worker will check whether the container is there's some broken place or not. Okay, let's have a look. Our suppliers will also send their goods to our warehouse. Now it comes our some goods. On the shift of our warehouse, there will be also barcodes. In this case, when our workers is preparing for loading containers, they can find each goods very easily. Dear friends, our QC will check the quality of the goods that our factory sent to us for each orders. Oh friend, here we have met our QC. He is checking some goods. Let's have a look what he is checking now. Okay, I see. He is checking our zigzag. Dear friends, now here it is our QC department. We have 24 QC in this warehouse to check the goods that our factories send to our warehouse. And in our factories, we also have 26 QC in that always stay in our factories to check the quality. This area is for keeping goods that will be loaded very soon. Dear friends, in our warehouse we also have the ground scale. Here we will check the weight of the container after loading. Okay, the gross weight is reasonable, so the container can transport to the port.